What's going on, guys? Chase Reiner here, and today we're going to be talking about a guy named Matt who actually started using bots like these ones to send out millions of messages every single day to be able to connect with website owners while he sleeps. Now, this guy actually made $1,300 in the first month of joining our program with this system. He actually made over $2,600 in total sales, and I'm going to explain how he did it. Now, we're actually seeing people earn a ton of money in this program. We'll talk about multiple different people that are utilizing this system to make money while they sleep. Now, I'm going to show you a lot of different case studies over the next few months. And I want to know if you're interested in seeing how people are using these systems, because again, it's not just about me earning money with it. It's about our actual students earning money, taking action, and absolutely crushing it with AI. Now, I'm going to just ask you right now, if you're interested in seeing more videos and more free trainings and more case studies like this, just go to the comments and reply with the word yes right now. Okay, so we'll take a second. I just want to make sure you are ready to rock and roll and that you want to keep updated with what we're doing inside of our training. So just reply with the word yes and we'll get started. All right, so first thing I want you to do is I want you to head over to our free Facebook group, because inside the Facebook group, that's where I'm going to keep you updated as much as I can with posts about who's doing what. So this guy right here, Matt, we'll talk about him in a second. He's been posting ever since he joined the Fortune Bots Bootcamp. Now, we have a live training that you can join. It's live on Zoom, and we actually walk you step by step through everything you have to do in order to earn money with these bots. But this guy started posting about, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, and he made a post about him in Hawaii sending messages. Look at this. So he made a post right here, and Matt said, "So I was sitting on our balcony looking at Diamond Head while my kids sleep. I came up with a new idea utilizing Fortune bots. I found the affiliate offer on my phone, blah, blah, blah." But anyways, you can see he's looking at Diamond Head, which is in Hawaii, while he's sending these messages with his bots. And we have a ton of different people in our group that will vouch for what Matt's doing. If you go inside of the group, which again, I will leave a link to in the description of this video, you can go through and see all the different people that are utilizing these classes to earn money with these bots on autopilot, okay? And the system is pretty simple. Really what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting set up with something called an affiliate link, and we're going to be selling products to business owners, okay? So let me show you how that works. So once you're in the group, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the free checklist. Now, I actually had my team put together a whole list of different tools that you can get paid to promote, okay? Now, let me show you what these tools look like. If we go over to scarytoolbots.com, enter in our email, you'll see all of the different tools that have affiliate programs. So there's a ton of these in here. And what you can do is you can start promoting these tools. Now, I get paid a ton of money between different affiliate tools, okay? So whether I'm promoting this tool, Jasper, I have another thing that I promote proxies, I promote virtual private servers. There's all these different things that I promote. And each of the tools pay me thousands of dollars a month. Let me show you this. So if I log into this one, basically they give you an affiliate link, and the affiliate link, you just send this to people and you get paid out with earnings. So every single month, let me show you my payouts here, 2,800, 2,800, 2,800. And this isn't to brag. This is just to show you. Imagine if you had a few of these different sites paying you this every month. That's thousands and thousands of dollars. And that's basically what Matt did. Is Matt got set up inside of our program. He started building relationships with people online, and that's really what this comes down to. It doesn't matter if you're using bots. It doesn't matter if you're manually going and messaging people. It doesn't matter if you're doing YouTube videos or YouTube shorts or TikToks. All that matters is that you're able to build connections with people online that might be interested in buying products from you. Now check this out. Matt started selling some of our products, and he also sells his own products as well. But look at this, $1,300 in unpaid commissions. And so what we're actually doing is inside of our Fortune Bots Bootcamp this Tuesday, a live class we're going to be doing, Matt's actually going to go in and he's going to be sharing how he got set up inside of our program. He literally got in, started taking action, and it's crazy because now he's earning money. And we're actually giving him prizes too, because inside of our communities, we actually give away thousands and thousands of dollars to the people that take action, because we want to reward our members for taking action. And so we actually gave Matt a bunch of really cool stuff. I'll talk about that in a second, but ideally you're going to go sign up for an affiliate program. And signing up for an affiliate program is pretty simple. Most of these websites have a link where if you go click on it, like this one, and you scroll to the bottom, it'll say affiliate program. Now, inside of Fortune Bots, what we actually give you as well is products to sell. So we have our own products. We have a tool called Shine Ranker. We have a new tool coming out called Contact Bot. We have our own programs. You know, you can promote the bootcamp itself if you want. You can promote, we have another program called AI Profits. There's so many different things that you can promote and earn money with. But the reason why we do that is because we give you extra help, right? So if you're wanting to promote some of our products, we give you swipe files. That means we give you emails that you can send. We give you access to our support team so you can ask us questions whenever you want. Just bug the heck out of us. You can ask questions in the group. So we give you a lot more support with our products, but ideally you can use this process for anything, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to set up automation, right? Because you want to make money while you sleep. How do you do that? Well, there's so many different ways to earn money with bots. I mean, you could sell services, you could sell affiliates, you could sell pretty much anything. And look, what I recommend though is if you really want to make money on autopilot, sell something you don't have to fulfill, right? And so part of the reason why it's cool to sell our products or products that you don't have to fulfill is because you get to go and just drive traffic. That's it. If you just drive traffic to an offer, it'll sell itself if you send people to the right offer, right? So for example, with Jasper, if I go to the dashboard here, look at this. I sent 28,000 clicks over to this tool, and over the last, I don't know what, year, I've made like $30,000 with this tool. And so imagine if you sent, what, 1 million messages to website owners, 2 million, 10 million, you could send these messages all day. And again, there's people in the program. What they do is they'll go in, they'll start following along, they'll start setting up their bots to send messages. And I kind of showed you in the beginning what this looks like. We use a tool called GSA. And what this tool does is it basically will send out messages, but we also figured out a way to basically unlock contact forms. And so what does this system basically do? So what we're doing is we're taking websites. Let's say we find, I don't know, 1,000 websites with contact pages, right? So what is a contact page? Let's go over to my website just so I can show you. So you know those little forms that you can fill out on a website? So you can actually use bots to go and send out messages. If I click on contact here, I can fill out these messages automatically, thousands of them per second, with some of these tools that we're using. So GSA is one of the tools, but there's other tools that you can use as well. We're not going to go too deep into that because we only have so much time today, but look at this. Look how many messages we're sending. Sent already, what is that, 226,000 messages? And so we figured out a way to basically get millions and millions of these contact pages pre-built. We actually have lists, and we set up a marketplace inside of the bootcamp. And you can actually go and just buy these archives of contact forms. And I'll show you what they look like. Let me actually go into our services here. So we have a marketplace here. It's called digitalprofitsmarketplace.spp.io. And we're selling these contact form lists. And so you can basically buy a list of contact forms, like 10 million of them. And then you can load that up into a tool like this one. And they will basically, you can just put in whatever message you want and start sending, okay? And so the idea here is you're driving traffic either to an affiliate link or to what I recommend, an opt-in. And so ideally, the more emails you can get on an email list, the more money you can make, okay? And so part of the reason why I personally make so much money isn't because I'm super smart or special or, I have all this talent. It's because I drive traffic to an email opt-in. Look at this. It's already, close to 11 a.m. right now, 842 new people opting in to learn more about whatever I'm offering. And so you can create landing pages like this, and people can enter their information to learn more about the thing that you're talking about. Okay, so for example, with that scary toolbots checklist I showed you earlier, look at this. People have to enter their email. When they enter their email, I can recommend with automated email sequences, I can automatically follow up and show them what they should buy. Okay, well, buy the Shine Ranker tool, buy the course, buy the bootcamp, whatever. And so it does not matter what you sell. If you want to make, tens of thousands of dollars a day, which we're making around, some days we get over 10,000, some days we do, on average, I think it's around $6,000 or $7,000 a day. We're going to very quickly get up to $10,000 a day on average, but we have fluctuations. Anyways, if you want to get to that amount of money, you need to figure out how to automate, and you need to figure out how to start building a list of people that want to buy from you. And so check this out. Like on our ThriveCart page, just today alone, it's, 10:51 a.m., $3,100. Look at our average daily revenue, $6,887. And this isn't even including our affiliates. This is just our own products. So we're doing close to over $200,000 a month with mainly automated systems, okay? And it's very simple. We're driving traffic, we're sending people to an opt-in, we're sending out emails, and we're closing people on the thing that we talk about. Now, there's obviously way more that goes into this. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And again, what is this? A 11-minute video? If I had all day, every day to get on YouTube and show you how to do this, I wouldn't have time to be building these systems, okay? And so what I need you to do is, if you're interested in learning more about how to do this, go to fortunebots.com and go and check out our live classes. We have so many different people that are in these classes right now that are already seeing success. Like, it's crazy how many testimonials we have already. And if you don't believe me, if you don't want to look at the landing page and check out all the testimonials, or maybe you're already on the landing page and you're watching the video, because I'm going to embed this video on this page. If you don't believe me, and you don't believe these testimonials that are on this page, there's so many, go into the free Facebook group. Again, I'll leave a link to the Facebook group, and you can just go ask the people in there. There's so many people in this group that are willing to help, and they're going to vouch for the classes. I mean, the amount of value that you get right now with these classes is absolutely insane. And one of the best things that we're doing right now is we're taking our members that are already succeeding, and we're spotlighting them, and we're showing everybody what they're doing. We're in no way affiliated with these people. We don't know that they're going to be successful or not. They come out and tell us, okay? Now, obviously, we offer them affiliate links if they want to sell our products, but we aren't like going out and trying to manufacture these people. These people are just posting in the group, and they're like, yeah, I'm successful with this. Look at what I'm doing. Look at Shelly. She's already sending out all these messages. And here's the real thing that people don't realize. AI is the future. Bots are the future. And there's people that still don't believe that you should use AI to scale a business. Look at this guy, Baller Freedom. Just wanted to share my results using JSA website contact after testing with a bunch of affiliate offers. Wasn't easy after 2 months. And look at this, $3,400 in commissions here. I think he's promoting a Warrior Plus or a ClickBank offer. But look how many messages this guy sent, okay? And the cool thing is, you might not earn thousands of dollars overnight when you first start, but just getting started is going to put you in such a more valuable position. Imagine how much more you're going to be able to do the second you click on the send button, you start sending messages to these website owners. You're going to start seeing so much progress so quickly, or at least you're going to be increasing your chances of getting progress tremendously by actually doing something. And that's the biggest problem with most people, is they don't take action. And so that's why, again, we give out so much money in our programs, because we want to reward action takers. And that's why all you have to do is join the group, start posting about the messages that you're sending. And if you start getting some results and you start getting some traction, we'd love to bring you into a training and teach the group, because some people who watch these videos are already taking action. But if you haven't taken action yet and you want to start getting progress, one of the quickest ways to start getting progress is to what? Get started. Just start doing something. What's one of the fastest ways to improve your value as a person? Well, have bots do what would take you years to do. Think about this. How long would it take you to send out 1,000 of these messages, like over and over and over? It would take you so long. It would take you years. And that's why AI is literally, just by clicking a button, instantly improving the value of you as a person the second you get set up. Because nobody on earth is going to be able to do this by themselves without robots. And so if you're still in the mindset like, oh, I don't need AI, I don't need bots in order to succeed, think about how many people over the next couple years are going to have their jobs replaced because they didn't take action, because they didn't get ahead of the curve, because they didn't use bots to start earning money online or to start automating what they're doing. There's people that still manually go and reach out to people like this. Can you believe that? There's people that literally sit on the phone and call businesses one at a time. You could go send out 10 million contact forms in the next 24 hours. Do you know what kind of firing power that is? 24 hours, 10 million websites contacted? That's insane. And nowhere in the history of time has this ever been possible until recently. So you need to get on this. Like, what are you paying? A couple $100 to be able to get a system that could potentially change your life forever and to be ahead of everybody else? I mean, that's insane. So you need to get in. The price is going up very soon. I wouldn't wait on this. If you're not on board yet, go join the Facebook group, go ask questions, but you should get in as soon as you can. We raise the price every single week. And so I'd hate to see you have to pay more for something you could have gotten for less. All right. So again, we reward action takers. If you want to be an action taker, join the program, post in the group, tell us how you're doing, and we'd love to reward you even more. We'll see you soon. Till then, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.